If you want to connect your USB mice to your iPad, I just show you. For this process we just need one accessory. If your iPad charging port was USB-C, you need this USB-C OTG, or you can also use this USB-C to HDMI adapter, any one device. And if it is a lightning, you need this lightning OTG, or you can also use this lightning to camera adapter. It's completely your wish. If you have OTG, use OTG. If you have adapter, use adapter. For me it's USB-C, so I'm going to use this. So I show you using the adapter. Everything was plug and play. There is nothing involved in this process. So just take this mice USB and connect this on the USB port, and just directly connect on the charging port. And I will give all this product and adapters link in the description. If you want, you can use that. It's Amazon. So when I connect, you can see the pointer. So I just click this. If it doesn't shows up, if it doesn't work, you need to open settings and accessibility and touch, assistive touch, and turn on this. Now you can see it's working. So that's the case. That's it. It works. This is how we need to do. You can see. That's it. So after you've done the process, you just need to disconnect this directly. It doesn't harm. That's it. And in case if you are in the iPad lock screen, you just ask the Siri to turn on assistive touch. That will be more helpful. So this is it. This is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about these topics, watch these videos.